So, I believe I have predicted Bitcoin to the T 3 months ago, and it is happening right now.
I'll advise everyone to do is that Bitcoin, so as it has reached 80,000 or maybe 81,000 around that level, to start selling BTC. Yeah. And when they sell and when you sell BTC, you sell it up to 60,000. You understand? Before and after this 60,000, what we might actually encounter is a range to the sideways before going to the upside. Yeah, I believe that's for BTC.
All right, so right now, as I said, Bitcoin will fall from where it was, right? From where it was in June, which was I believe in May, exactly 3 months ago, in May. Go from then, get to 60,000, then from 60,000 move to the upside. So what's now important is that how do you catch the next move, and how did I predict this? So first of all, what you need to realize is that Bitcoin moves in cycles. Let me open a new Bitcoin tab here, right? BTC. All right, we're going to open a new Bitcoin tab, right there. We're just going to open this one, right? So look at this, look at this. If we open the cycle tools, right, we open the cycle tools, this one, which is the cycle lines, right, you tap it from there, you drag it till there. Now what you realize is that if we open up our chart, right, price moves in cycles, right? It moves in cycles such that from when on 16 September till December, it moved for 500 days, right? It moved up to the upside. After that 500 days, what happened? The market moved low, moved up, right? Exactly. Then after that, what happened? The market moved low, right? And how many days is this? Look at this. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. Look at this. No, not this two. Yes, these two. Look at this. From there to there, how many days was it? 441, almost 500 days. It's moving in 500 days cycles. You understand? It's moving in 500 days cycles. Look at this. From the low, right, this move till that high, it moved for 420, 27. Then from then you do it again, you go from there, it moves 448 days. So now whenever the market reaches 400 days, we get a bull to the upside. Look at it. We had a bearish market, right? Then we moved to the upside. We had a bearish market here, also had a bearish market. After the 400 days, it moved to the upside. So that's why I was like, oh, right now we'll probably be reaching how many days? The 400 days from that high, right, till the low. You get about 400. No, it's not necessarily from here. When the market hit our highest point, which is around here, exactly, you see, 400 days exactly. So right now, this is the point at which the market is moving to the upside. And yes, I predicted it, and I take the responsibility that it was my fault that I did not participate in this market. Yes, it so happened that when the market was at 60,000, as I predicted that the market will go from here, drop to 60,000, then move to the upside. When the market was literally at 60,000, I deposited some money. After I deposited some money, unfortunately, I had my own trading account, my real trading account, my day trading account. On that trading account, I blew it. After blowing it, I was then forced to withdraw the money that I had put into my Bitcoin prediction. I believe it was around here, the start of August. Yes, exactly. 3 August, exactly, which was the start of August. And I withdrew that money so that I can then use it on my daily basis, only after a couple of weeks for the market to start shooting to the upside. So unfortunately, I did not catch this move, but I do not blame anyone or anything. But so as I miss this trade, and most of you right now who are watching this, how do you then catch the next move? So this is what I'm seeing for the next move on what Bitcoin will probably do from here. This is what I think. I believe from where BTC is, we're probably going to hit this mark here, this 80,000 mark, right? This 80,000 mark, then shift structure, understand, retrace a little bit, and when we retrace to we retrace to about 70,000. Yes, exactly. We'll retrace up to 70,000 before we move to the upside. Yes, exactly. We'll move up to 70,000, then 70k, then after 70k, that's when we're going to start shooting up. So you might be asking, where am I getting this? Listen, when it comes to Bitcoin and all these other things, history repeats itself. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. If we take, after we hit our highest point, we drag it. No, our highest point was not that one. Our highest point, all-time high, we drag it till then it was 400 days, which is where we are right now. So after this move, so we're just going to have this big bullish move right here, as the one that we just had recently. This strong move to the upside. Let me open a daily chart. Last time we had that move, which is around this point. You see this type of price action. Price moves to the upside, it goes, and then it hits the top of the flag. Look at this. Up, top of the flag, retraces back to this support, to this resistance or support or whatever that you want to call it. Then we're going to move to the upside. So for now, we are in this part. We are around here, in which we expect to move a little bit into the inside. After getting in, you then sell the market till 70,000 in this case. In this case, it was till 19,000. Sell, then move to the upside. Right now, this is what we are encountering. Understand? It's the exact same price action that we are encountering right here. Look at this. We're going to get to that point. We just had this move, as we had once had, then get to the top of the most previous flag, then retrace to the support. After retracing to the support, which is about 70,000, we are going to move to the upside. So what I'll literally do is sell BTC now, then buy it back. Sell at 80k, right? I'm just going to do this. Yes, then name it and say sell at 80k, right? I want to make this big and bold. Yes, sell at 80k, then after this move, I predict that it's going to get there. Then we look into buying back BTC. So we are not late. The good news is we are not late at 70k. The good news is we are not late. You can still catch this move. You can still join this move. And when we join into this move, we are targeting as high as 120k and above. You understand? Why am I saying 120k and above? 120k, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. From here, right? From this cycle, we're going to have this cycle move. This one, right? Going to have this cycle move. From here, we'll retrace. Look at how long this is. This is from here till right there. That was another 450. So every 400 days we have a certain move. Every 400 days we might be in a retracement. Every 400 days we might be in a bullish trend. Every 400 days we might be in a break and retest and then continue moving up. Look at this. After this 400 days, we then do this. We get from there, then we move to the upside again until we hit a new high in 400 days. Understand? 400 days we get to the new high. So right now what we will expect is the market to move from where it is, get there within 400 days exactly. So within 400 days, which will be in July 2027, yes, September 2027 to September 2027, September, June, September 2027. Yes, exactly. So we're going to get from here, move up to September 2027. Then we might face a minor retracement here, just a minor retracement, not something big, but this will probably be more of like a break, retest, then move to the upside for another 400 days. Yes, I did say that, for another 400 days. All right, it's not longer showing now. For another 400 days, moving to the upside. So right now we are Bitcoin is at 77,000. It's going to go to 80k, reach 80k, move to 70k. Then if you did not catch this initial move, right, this initial move, you can also join in. You can also join in at 70k, then push to the upside. So if you want to catch these signals live, join my free Telegram group in the link in the description. I'll be sharing these signals live. I'll be sharing my YouTube videos live, the YouTube videos that are going to come out live, and have peace. I believe that's all for my BTC prediction. I predicted it 3 months ago that it's going to this move from up, down, then side, then push to the upside. Then now we are going from 80k. We're just going to push a little bit from here till 80k. We move to that downside, then we start moving to the upside, just as how we did last time. You understand? Just like how we did last time. Right now we're right there. It will move, tap inside, then drastically move to the downside. So move downside up to 70k. So 70k buy BTC again, then push to the upside, and that's all. Make sure to join the Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group. I share even forex signals, I share crypto signals, I share advice on trading, and you can also DM me on my Telegram chat. Peace out.